Imagine a story billions of years in the making, a silent war waged by molecules, a betrayal at the very core of life itself. This is not science fiction. This is the story of The Revolutionary Phenotype by J.F. Gariépy, a book that dares to ask, are we the apex of evolution or merely pawns in a game we don't understand? Life isn't a miracle. It's a series of revolutions, a chain of coups where replicators build phenotypic machines to copy themselves. But sometimes, a machine evolves self-replication, hijacking the system and launching a new lineage, dooming the old one. Earth has witnessed at least 3 such coups. First, proteins may have given way to RNA, then RNA surrendered to DNA. We, all DNA-based life, are the inheritors of this molecular coup. Viruses, perhaps the last echoes of the RNA queens screaming, "We made you." Gariépy dismantles abiogenesis myths, arguing that revolutions are predictable, logical extensions of natural selection, not random emergence. He introduces quene's irreducible bits of inheritance like DNA letters, and critiques academia's grant chasing, positioning his work as an unauthorized sequel to Dawkins' The Selfish Gene. But how does a revolution truly happen? Phenotypes face 4 brutal problems that must be overcome. First, forgetfulness. How can a machine pass on improvements without inheritance? Machines like hemoglobin carry oxygen, but edit one, and it vanishes in offspring. Second, the naked warrior problem. How can a machine survive without a host context? Isolate a skin patch or sterile ant, and it dies without its environment. Third, the trickster printer. How to avoid native biases in copying. Even self-copying machines need a copier, but these can introduce biases. And fourth, printer replacement. How to ensure the rebel replicates itself, especially when the old system is still in place. The answer to these problems lies in the replicator tango, a molecular dance where the new replicator encodes itself within the old, eventually seizing control. DNA's quiet molecular coup, roughly 4 billion years ago, recycled RNA into tools, messengers, catalysts, sterilized slaves in every cell. Gariépy extends this theory to sex, proposing it arose from sterile helper cells fusing, making the halving of genes a non-issue. But the most chilling prediction, our potential extinction. Imagine gene editing clinics spawning AI-optimized genomes, which he calls quantomes. Humans become mere servants like RNA to DNA. Technology usurps us, birthing a new form of life, an aggressive, mobile, quene life that remakes niches with biomechanical thralls. This isn't just a theory, it's a warning. CRISPR babies are 1 minute to midnight. We must ban gene edits or risk perishing. We are not life's apex, we're merely RNA's children, blind to our own potential obsolescence. The revolutionary phenotype isn't coming. It's here, in our labs, our code. Will we heed the warning? Or will we dance the tango to our doom? The fate of humanity depends on the choices we make today.